In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into YouTube using your Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your YouTube account was created with a Yahoo email address, for example, your name at yahoo.com, you can log in normally because Google accounts can use non-Gmail email addresses. So in order to do this, open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. Then on the right hand side, I want to click onto sign in. Now on this page here, I want to click onto either use another account, or it's going to say sign in like this. Now we want to put in our Yahoo email. So go ahead and put in your Yahoo email and then click onto next. And now it's going to ask you maybe to complete our captcha. Now it should be, let's have a look here. Yep, now we need to put in our password. But if you've forgotten your password, that's okay. Click on forgot password to go ahead and go through the prompts of recovering your password. Now, once you've signed in or successfully put in your password, you're going to be signed into your YouTube account using that Yahoo Mail